That is awesome. Who in the world wouldn't want that?
Show you my backside after nudging you to pet me.
Hey everybody, what's happening? It's Brian from Red Dirt Pickers. How are you? I'm out in the shed this morning, trying to get a few things listed. Here, I'll turn you around. You can see my photo setup. I have a bunch of stuff I'm trying to get listed here. I only do this part-time. I'm a part-time reseller. I have a very little time today to list the things that I need to list, and then head to the post office. I sold 5 items, which we'll do a little what sold segment of the things I sold on eBay the last day or so. Head to the post office, and then I wanted to see if I have enough time to pop into Goodwill, if I can find a few items to flip on eBay for a profit. So let's finish up these listings here, and then we'll head inside, get our packages, and we'll head out. Just sold this Can You Imagine laser and light sounds projector. I've had this for a while. My kids were actually using it, but then I listed it 2 weeks ago, I think, and it sold pretty quick. Sold this for $68.50 plus shipping. Really cool laser light sounds. It has a star map on it with clouds. So $68.50 plus shipping, and I think I paid around $7 or $8 for it if I remember right. So here's another example of USPS ground advantage being higher, not much higher on this one. So $10.61 USPS and $9.18 for UPS ground. It's not that significant for this. What is that, $1.40 something difference? But you're sending out 10, 12 packages a day. That could be $20, $30 difference in your overall profit for the day. So definitely going to do UPS ground on this. And with the instability of the postal service, I just sent something out that was supposed to be there last week, and it's already 3 days late. So I am definitely going to stick with UPS ground for now. So you guys definitely check this out whenever you're getting your shipping labels and see what the difference is between USPS ground advantage and UPS ground. I sold another one of these Sea Life Ironstone Bowls. This is a discontinued item from Pier 1 Imports. Obviously, Pier 1's not in business anymore, but they discontinued this quite a while ago, even while the store was still open. But this is the Sea Life series. It's Ironstone ware. And I paid $5 for a set of pasta bowls and a few of these cocktail bowls. And so there's less than $1 into this, and sold it for $30 plus shipping. I also disclosed that there were a couple of these little nicks in the eBay listing, and I probably could have gotten a little more for it, but even with those couple of little nicks in there, they're still sold for $30 plus shipping. So if you guys ever see these out in the wild, definitely pick them up. Some crazy value in just one little bowl. Another item I sold is this vintage LL Bean jacket that I literally just listed and bought. I bought this like 4 days ago and just listed it. It's still on my picture table here. So this is a really cool vintage LL Bean barn coat. It's a denim material, kind of off-white, but has a little bit of green in it. Really cool. And I paid $8 for this at Goodwill and sold it for $78.50 plus $13 shipping. So really cool. Brass buttons, got the LL Bean stamp on it. And Freeport, Maine label on there, vintage. It's probably from the 80s is my guess. But yeah, I paid $8 for this, and it sold within like 2 hours. And sold it for $78.50 plus shipping. I totally forgot to film it before I put it in this box, but I'll show a little video here. It's this transforming lights and sound fire truck. I think it's part of Paw Patrol, if I remember right. But I'll put the comp and a little video up here on the screen. But I paid $3 for this. I think it was Goodwill. Maybe Salvation Army. $3 either at Salvation Army or Goodwill, and sold it for $21 plus shipping. I think it was around $16 for shipping, and I charged $20 for shipping.
Does it look like your furnace?
Found some really nice cashmere sweaters. Really, this is a Vince brand. This is M. Patmos, which is a really good brand. Nice cashmere, two-tone. TS Society, same cashmere. These are all in the 30 to 40 range. Another Vince, thicker cashmere, small. Then another Vince cashmere. So I'll put a couple of comps up. They're all $6.79 each, but ranging from 30 to 40. I think maybe even one of them was like 50. That is awesome. Who in the world wouldn't want that? Found these men's wrestling shoes. They're a small size, but I see size 8s and 9s on here, so it looks like they're 40s, 44, 35, but those are kind of ragged out for 35, so I could probably get 40, 45 for these. Pretty good deal. Couldn't find these, but they're kind of trashed anyway, so I don't think I'll get these. But okay, so I found this. This is a Yes No brand cat sweater for looks like they're new, 48, brand new, pre-owned, 25, 22, 29, $30. I mean, that's not bad. 7 in the 30. I'll do it. Cool. That's really funny. People are gonna be looking at me weird when I walk out of here with this.
All right, I got the LL Bean jacket all packed up. It's going padded flat rate. That was the cheapest. It was around $8, a little bit less. And then last thing I sold are these sports cards envelopes, a little padded mailer. I bought a few boxes of these well over a year ago, and hundreds of them in the boxes. And this has been I mean, it's been a long tail item, but I've made well over $1,500 with this buy, and it was only around $20 for all of them. So these have been a great little seller for me, pretty consistent. But it has taken, you know, a good amount of time, well over a year. But with shipping and everything, buyers all in $14 for these. It's like $8 plus shipping, and a really good little bubble mailer. So 10 of these are going out. That's the last item I have going out. Appreciate you guys watching. If you guys got something out of this, hit that like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.